Hi, I'm Angela, an entrepreneur, a beauty queen, model, and mother. And my passion is to empower you to shine. So let's get the magic started. Ho, ho, ho! It's Christmas morning here from Saudi Arabia to you. All Merry, Merry Christmas. Today I've got a couple of unboxings to do, and I'm super excited to show you these pretty cool stuff. Stay tuned, ladies. So the first unboxing is from Dress Up Your Purse, okay? Let's have a look what it's inside. This is not a sponsored video, just me sharing some very cool tips. So, ta-da! I ordered a bag strap, and they did give me a little free gift. I think it's a charm. And yeah, this is their little free gift, heart-shaped charm. And let's have a look. Okay, let's give you a proper look. Okay, and the bag strap is so cool. It's like reminds me of the Coco Crush Chanel bag strap, and I'll show you what I'm gonna do with it. All of you know that I love, creating and playing with my bags and stuff. So this is a bag strap, okay, from Dress Up Your Purse. It's in like gold tone hardware, and look at this little can you see it, Coco Crush ball, right? So cute. Okay, and the best thing is that it's adjustable, okay, so you can adjust it to the length you want to. All right, just press on this knob here and it's adjustable. So let me show you what I'm gonna do. I've done this unboxing a couple of videos ago, and in my last video I showed you how to turn your Chanel long wallet into a wok. Okay, so this is going to be so perfect for Christmas. Okay, so this is the Chanel long wallet, and I've already showed in my last video the Samoga insert. You can tune into that to see how to change your long wallet, and why is it not adjusting? Yeah, long wallet into a wok. Okay, so we're gonna put this new chain strap into the corners here. Okay, there are little rings for you to place them in, and she's gonna look so beautiful. Okay, a Chanel wok, Coco Crush wok. Okay, I did one side, let's do the other side. And yeah, I hope you're enjoying your Christmas morning. Yeah, it's pretty quiet here in Saudi. We are away from the family, just my husband and I. And this is our place of residence. Okay, so just have a look, okay? This is the Chanel wallet and the chain strap. And okay, so this is when you sling it, and the best bit is that depending on your height, you can adjust the length. Okay, so now this is a bit too long for me, so I'm gonna make it a little bit shorter. Yeah, and there you go. So pretty, right? Okay, I love this. So pretty. Okay, so for those of you who are looking to purchase this item, oh, where's my discount code? Give me a sec. Okay, so they did send me a thank you card and a discount code for those of you who are looking to purchase. Okay, you get a 15% discount. Okay, it's thank you 15. Okay, just right here. This camera is not focusing today. Okay, so the next item on my list is, the Dress Up Your Purse. I actually bought 2 straps, okay, because I loved it that much. And I turned one of my bags, this is a Chanel inspired bag designed by my very dear friend. And what I did was I double strapped. Okay, I double strapped it. So you can do that also for some of your bags. This is a single strap and this is a double strap. So what you do is basically maximize the chain. Okay, so this is the chain. I maximized it all the way to almost to the end. All right, and then just loop it into the ring here and double strap it and hook it onto the other end, and hook it onto the other end here, and voila, you have a double strap. You can basically do this to most of your bags, okay, if they have this ring, okay, if they have the ring. So look, so pretty, right? So pretty. So this is the vibe I'm going for, like a Chanel Coco Crush for on a budget, really. Okay, so if you're interested in these items, do go down to Dress Up Your Purse and put in the discount code and you will get 15% off. Okay, so ta-da! This is my bag hack number 1, and next is my very favorite Chanel unboxing. Ta-da! So I bought Chanel online, never done it before, and I was superbly impressed with the packaging. Okay, so I did do a little sneak peek, but I haven't really opened up the item. So I went to Chanel Beauty and I bought something special for myself. And look at the packaging. I mean, it's so pretty. Look. Okay, even, you know, it has this Chanel bag, recyclable bag. So you have the option for a box or a bag. And I chose the bag because, you know, with the current sustainability and fashion, you know, I wanted to be a part of that. And who doesn't love the Chanel bag? Okay, it's a cotton bag. All right, so pretty. And they even gave me a little bag charm. Okay, look how pretty it is. And I was surprised because the last time I went in store in Singapore, I got this charm, a little perfume bottle, you know, and this was the other charm that I really love. It's the Coco Chanel number 5. I'm not sure why my camera is not focusing today. Okay, now it's focusing. Yeah, so pretty. Okay, so let's have a look what's inside. Actually, I should change up the charm and you can tell me which one is prettier. Hang on. Okay, so I swapped the charm and this is the Coco Chanel number 5 that came free with this purchase. Which one do you prefer? The number 5 or the little cute perfume bottle? Let me know down in the description box. I mean in the comments below, right? Okay, let's get to this. It's been taking a while. And ta-da! This is how they package it. Oh, where's my lipstick? It's hiding. Okay, so I got myself this exclusive edition. I'm not sure if they have it in your region, in your country. Okay, and it's called Rouge Allure Ink. Okay, so this is a matte liquid lip color. It's Harmony 224. Okay, I love Chanel lipsticks and I've been collecting them for a while now. Oh my gosh, this is really bad. Okay, the focusing on my face. Ah! Okay, so there you go. All right, let's have a look. So the trick about putting matte lipstick for dry lips, especially mature women like myself, we have very dry lips, is to prep it with some lip gloss prior to applying. Okay, applying this, and then just tap it dry. And let's have a look. I haven't tried this color. The only thing about buying online is that you can't go in store to test the color, okay? But I know what colors I love. So, and what kind of looks good on me. So I tend to buy those colors, okay? My reds and pinks and corals. Okay. How is the texture? It's actually very nice. I mean the texture. It's not too matte, okay? It's not too matte. Quite nice. Oh, okay. So I like to actually blend it a little bit with my fingers so that it looks more natural. Okay. Okay. There you go. Pretty, just in time for Christmas. So let me just let you show you the texture of it. The texture is quite thick, and yeah, there you can see it. The texture. Oh, with today my camera is really bad. There you go. So pretty. Okay, and this is what it looks like on the lip. I like to do my natural lipstick, and this is just perfect for me. So Merry Christmas to all of you, and I hope you have a good one and enjoy your time with family and friends. Stay tuned for my next video. Until then, like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you. Take care, everyone. Mwah.